Okay, this one here, I got some extra lines on it. I'm not really sure what's going on with our printer, but we're going to do 12.582 using sampling to predict some outcomes here. So scientists in the jungle want to find out the best estimate for the lion population. So they tag and release 20 lions as a part of the project. Later, they found 160 of the lions, 8 which are tagged. Find the best estimate of the population. Well, we could set this up as a proportional situation. I think I'm going to do it with sticky notes since there's so many lines on here. It'll be simpler for you to look at. So, out of those 160 lions, 8 had tags. So that's going to be proportional to 20 lions out of the whole population because they tagged and released 20 of them. Later they found 160 and they had 8 that had tags. So this is going to be 8 out of 160 is going to be like 20 out of the entire population. So we will just pop that in. 20 times 160, multiply diagonally, and then we'll divide. That equals 3,200 divided by 8 equals about 400 lions. About 400 lions total. All right? Okay. Down here, you're going to be doing the same type of thing. I'll just talk through one here. Henry has a stationery shop and school. He surveyed and collected random samples of 100 students regarding the pen preference. Make at least 2 inferences. Well, an inference is going to be some sort of a prediction based upon some data. You're like a detective. And in reading, when you inference things, you read and you make good scientific type guesses off of the information that you have at hand, or you try to be as scientific as possible in that by looking at your data and making predictions. So looking at this data, we can see that we can really clearly see that in both these samples, these are both of 100 kids, that metal pens are the most popular. All right, so that's one thing. I could say metal pens are the most popular. That's one inference. I can say that the best would be to add them all up. So here you got 50. Here you've got what's this, 35. This is gonna be it should be 115, I believe, if I had that right. 115 total. So these are out of 200, because I added both samples together. You could say that people chose metal pens, or more than twice as many people chose metal pens over crystal pens. You can say that metal pens were chosen 3-to-1 over plastic pens, or approximately 3-to-1. So you've got some idea here of some inferences that you can make. So be creative. Good luck.